Now, here at FinaTrack Global Ltd, we're able to provide certified GPS tracking solutions which enable you enhance the security of your vehicle and also enhance your operation efficiency through an added layer of monitoring capabilities through the comfort of your mobile device or your laptop or computer. Now, for these particular solutions, we usually provide different competitive offers which enable you easily get started with the tracking ability or the monitoring ability of your vehicle. Our first offer comes in the form of a standard wide tracker. This usually goes for a one-off fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings. All you need to do on your end is top up the airtime regularly. And this airtime, in most cases, unless you've enabled too many alerts, ranges between 10 to 20 shillings per month. This solution helps you get real-time information of your vehicle location, historical movements, and also the ability to switch off the vehicle remotely, get alerts, and generate reports. Our next product is a wireless tracker, which is commonly referred to as the magnetic tracker. This also goes for a one-off fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings. The way it works is that for this particular device, you need to be charging it. Once you charge it up to 100%, it can take you up to a month of continuous tracking, after which you'll be able to see on the app the current battery level. So once the battery is drained or almost 0%, you can then be able to remove the tracker, charge it using a standard USB cable, and return it to the same location or use it to track different assets. Now, this tracker is ideal for use as a secondary or an alternative or a backup tracker. So in the event your wired tracker is disconnected, you can then rely on the wireless tracking gadget to monitor the real-time location of your vehicle and view the historical movements of that particular vehicle. Now, in the case that you have especially a commercial fleet, or you're interested in getting additional information from the vehicle over and above the location information, you can invest in a fuel monitoring system. Now, for this particular solution, we usually install a sensor within the fuel tank and also connect this sensor now to a tracker using a Bluetooth connectivity. This ensures you get a real-time alert of the fuel consumption, fuel refills in the event of fuel drainage directly on your phone, irrespective of your location and irrespective of the truck's location. Now, through this, you can be able to also view historical reports on the fuel consumption over a period of time, also view the location, and in the event of your trips, also view which trips consumed more than others. So this solution is ideal if you're interested in increasing your fuel savings and fuel efficiency, and also the pricing of a particular transportation or supply services. All these solutions, for the fuel monitoring system, it goes for installation fee of 45,000 Kenya shillings and an annual maintenance fee of 10,000 Kenya shillings. Now, all these solutions can be accessed directly through calling us through our telephone number, which is 0723 645 810, or visiting our office located at Vision Plaza, first floor, room number 2, along Mombasa Road, and our able technicians can be able to do the installation at your convenient location.